Another voice inside my head trying to keep me on the ground. I've been staring at the ceiling, waiting for a change to come, but nothing's ever different if I never become someone. I'm done believing every lie. I'm done pretending I'm alright. Wake up, open your eyes. You can't keep running from your own life. Stand up, face what's inside. You won't survive if you keep living a lie. Every excuse I've